The video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you could join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I have been getting a lot of comments on the link, and I'm not very good at just putting it everywhere, but I'll drop it in the comments of this video, right? I am in a position on Tesla to run this up, right? I do have calls. Here's my account right now. I started this with $500. We're at 1,700 right now. I actually hit 2,700 on Thursday, and this whole drop was basically gold dumping, right? That was my fault, right? I actually had shout out to Steve for saying that it was gonna dump. I actually thought it was gonna push up, but it was my fault because I completely forgot about news, right? If I knew that news was coming out, I would have definitely not gotten into this. But I am holding Tesla calls 200 for June 28th. I should have probably bought these a little bit further out. I want to see how we do over the next couple of days, because June 28th is what, 20 days away? I mean, it's okay on time, but I'd prefer to not have to have a little bit more time, at least a month out, because I think these are only 3 weeks out. But again, right now, we did close a bull trigger, right? And you did close above the open of this last bear candle. So recently, how I've been growing this account slowly, right? I'm not trying to do zero TEs or get super crazy with it. It's essentially just perfect entries on the day. And as long as a Heikin Ishi candle closes above the previous open of the last bear Heikin Ishi, then we're good, right? So again, right here, we closed that 173 on the open is 173. Closed at 175, you ran all the way to 181. Same thing here, right? You closed above, you ran up, but this wasn't a perfect entry, right? This is actually a perfect entry on the Heikin Ishi. Again, same thing happened last time here, right? You closed above, you ran from 152 all the way up to $200, right? Perfect entry right here, right there. That's your perfect entry. 172, you would have ran up all the way to 183, 10 points. Perfect entry right here, but no close, right? Perfect entry right here, but no close. You're still on a bull cycle, so I would have gotten in right here at 186. Ran up to 205 within probably like a week and a half of trading days, right? And again, this has been pretty consistent for the most part, right? I wouldn't really call this a perfect entry, right? Perfect entry right here, but we don't get in until you actually break that up to the upside, right? So again, here, break to the upside, push from 212 to 226, drop a little bit, but then you keep pushing to 245 within probably like a 2-week time span, right? And again, same thing here, perfect entry, you push up, right? I would have taken it at 250 probably whenever this closed, right? On that perfect entry, as long as you close above that open. Again, you ran from 250 to 268, right? So again, we basically just been trading sideways on Tesla. This is the position that I currently have, and we're at a perfect entry on the daily. We did close above this open of 176.81, so I'm definitely looking for maybe like a $10 push towards like 186, probably like to these highs right here where you have the support or this resistance here of these 2 wicks. But yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at right now. I think Tesla's going a little bit higher. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.